Happy Monday, everyone! Just wash my hair, took a shower. But it's lunchtime and I haven't eaten yet because I haven't cooked. Wait, I'm watching YouTube about this American girl married to this Kenyan guy. But it's a lovely love story, I must say. So I subscribe to them. And yes, so my niece is coming with some goodies, which I'm looking forward to because I haven't eaten, I haven't cooked. But I don't mind even if it were just some snacks with some Indonesian, we call kue basah. Kue basah means like snacks, sweet snacks, but on the wettish side. So I'm so hungry already. It's already 1:40 p.m. Wherever you are, hope you're doing well. I like this shot from this side though, even though a little bit not obscure, I forgot the name, obfuscate. So I long for cake. You know that I've been eating so much sugar this last 2 weeks. Cakes, ice cream, and donuts. They have Krispy Kreme here. It's so good. But I think today we are 4th of March. I have to go on raw food diet maybe for a week this coming week. Okay, today is Monday, but I haven't received any transfer from Italy yet. But I'm gonna go to the supermarket and buy all the ingredients for raw food for 1 week. All those nuts and all those organic stuff. Plus, of course, all the fresh vegetables, fruits, etc. Here, hanging out on the porch since 4 p.m. here, just chatting and chatting and chatting, drinking tea, munching on some snacks. So lovely because there's no mosquitoes. It's not hot. It's beautiful. You see the top over the balcony? I need to remove everything there and change to a new nice transparent roof. Those are my tomatoes sticks. Cherry tomatoes, I think, beef tomatoes, and the normal ones, I don't know what it's called. So I'm looking forward for them. But they don't get enough sun though, even though this is morning time now. I just tend to love going against the grain. So for example, I love carnation flowers. You don't see any YouTubers have carnation flowers. I'm in the middle of having some of my electricity that is not working, which is in my bathroom's ceiling light and my bed and breakfast bathroom lights and its porch. So the guy went to buy new bulbs. And then also today I have this laundry delivered. I gave them yesterday and they washed it. These are the bed sheets from the pool house and the towels from there, which were washed yesterday and today delivered, and this cost me 5 euros altogether because they charge here per kilos, not per pieces when it comes to this. But I think bed sheets, it's by itself per set, I think. That's why it's a little bit expensive. It's like 6 euros, let's say. Do you think it's worth to buy a new washing machine with dryer, but it means you still have to iron, or you can have your cleaning lady to iron, or just continuing on with this laundry service that I have, that they charge per kilo, which costs me, let's say, around 10 euros per month. Because I don't send it every week, I send it maybe every 10 days, so it's 3 times a week. And it costs me like 10 euros, 11, 12 euros a month. For the time being, I think I'm going to continue on that because it's been going on since almost 7 months now, and I'm quite happy with it. What do you think? Recommended by my cleaning lady. Being in here, just watching again my favorite YouTuber, one of them, while waiting the electricians to finish up the whole today's works, which were a lot. So my electrician man with my assistant, they managed to move this wardrobe or cupboard from the pool room at last. Okay, so I put already the bed cover, bed sheets, pillowcases, duvet. Plenty of space here. Not yet those drawers. I haven't filled them up yet. So it's quite satisfying now that I have everything here. And also no more glare from behind here whenever I sit here. That I rarely sat because it was too glary to open my laptop here. This next day I again tweaked a little bit by moving the painting over to the right and took the painting in between out, and that I think looks easy on the eyes. Okay, so that's my latest position of where the cupboard should be and the painting. I hope you like it. Okay, I know it's a bit odd that I hung this up just now, took it from where the other painting was, outside where my office corner is, but I think it should be okay. I covered the mirror here because they say mirror in the bedroom is not good. I don't know, so I cover with that. That's all right. But that's the new painting that was left by my lodger, English lodger. Something with Buddha, actually. The outline of Buddha's face from the side, but you can't really see it until you take a look at it properly. Can you see? This one, you see the outline of the Buddha's face from the side. Good morning, and it's cloudy, but the garden is clean. So here's my Himalayan lamp. Look at how it's raining outside. The electrician did was to separate this light from that spotlight, because before, if I wanted to have this on, the spotlight would have been on as well. So now he separated it, so now it can be switched on independently. That's the difference. My new Himalayan light there, lamp. It's rather small, but that's okay. The color of the light is quite warm, nice, especially on this rainy monsoon night. Guys, I'm signing off here. It's 2:30, or is it already 2:30 in the afternoon on Sunday? I just took a shower, as you can see, and washed my hair, and I'm just watching my YouTube, not my YouTube channel, the YouTube channel in the bedroom, because I've done a good cleaning up in my wardrobe, rearranged my handbags, because you know I don't have a closet. So rearrange the shoes, and with the help of my assistant, so that was good. And now I'm just sitting here with my newly positioned chair that I put here next to my side table, bedside table, and then here I am relaxing, just watching my TV from a little bit afar, not as per usual. Oh, I have to change the curtain. It all takes money, my dear, so I just have to always do what's more priority for me. Okay, so wherever you are, have a lovely Sunday. Take care, and ciao ciao, arrivederci.